Hi there. Do you know that from ActivePresenter version 8.3, the application starts supporting the on-ended event for media objects? This video will introduce to you how to use that event. The on-ended event occurs when a media object such as audio, video, or YouTube video completes playing. Let's take an example with the audio objects in this project. First, let's preview it.
Far out in the sea where the water is very deep, he lived with his mother and 4 daughters. The ships held treasures from the world above.
As you can see, while the audio is still playing, viewers can click on this button to move to the next part of the story, even though they haven't listened to this part yet. Now, the idea is to make these 2 buttons disabled while the audio is playing. Only when the audio finishes playing can viewers click on them. Thanks to that, they must complete listening to one part before playing it again, or moving to the next one. To achieve that, the first thing to do is to make the disabled state of the buttons the default state. Access the View tab to open the Object States pane. Click this button to start editing the states. Select the disabled state, and click this button to set it as the default state. As you can see, its color turns gray, meaning that the button is disabled. Select the audio object. Open the Animations tab, change the exit effect of the audio object from disappear to none. Thanks to that, the audio will not disappear when it comes to an end. Make sure that the slide duration is a bit longer than the audio duration by dragging the red stripe to the right. Now, move to the core part of today's video. Assign the on-ended event to the audio object, and select a suitable action. Navigate to the Properties pane, Interactivity tab, Events, Actions section. Click this button to add the on-ended event, and choose one action from the list. In this example, let's select the Change Object State action. Specify the object and the state. The meaning of these events actions is, only when the audio completes playing are these buttons enabled. Thanks to that, users can click on them to listen to one part again, or move to the next part. Let's see the result.
Far out in the sea where the water is very deep, the Sea King ruled the undersea world. In the deepest spot of the sea was his castle. The walls were made of blue coral. On the roof were shells that opened and closed when the water passed by. He lived with his mother and 4 daughters, each one born a year apart.
That's it.